Did you know every day in America, 10,000 people are turning 65, and this will continue to happen until 2029? Most people don't, and the bottom line is most of us are completely unprepared to care for our aging loved ones. I'm Chemane Rene, a specialist in gerontology, speaker, and co-founder of Plan Your Story. Come learn about the challenges of caregiving and understand how it's affecting our business and our personal lives. As an employer, you'll learn how caregiving is affecting your employees. I'll share data to help you understand why your employees may not be working at optimal levels and how to identify this rapidly growing group of individuals. As a woman, this event raises awareness of the challenges of caregiving and the personal costs, and how you can prepare to care for your aging loved one. In fact, I will share over 20 relevant statistics that address financial loss, work struggles, relationships, personal health, family conflict, and how caregiving is affecting multi-generations, from baby boomers to millennials and the sandwich generation in between. Please join me, Chemane Rene, for my workshop at 10 or 2:30 on Tuesday, April 23rd at California Women Lead for an educational and entertaining presentation on preparing to care and the cost of doing nothing. I hope to see you there.